Since the launch of the DJI Osmo Pocket, the most common question I'm asked is, how does it deal with low light? Well, I've just been out to do some testing, especially for you. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and hopefully this short video will be really useful. Just first of all, to make you aware, I'd accidentally set the Osmo Pocket to fast follow mode, which means that the gimbal movements are not as smooth as they should be. All footage that you'll see in this video is shot in 4K at 60 frames per second. Also, just to show you exactly how the raw footage looks, the first part of each clip is direct from the Osmo Pocket with no colour grading at all. Approximately halfway through the clip, I've applied the Lumetri automatic colour correction in Adobe Premiere, just to show you what you can get out of each clip, even if once you bring it into your editing application, it's a little bit dark. Now, if you're in the absolute pitch black and you point the Osmo Pocket at your face, you're not going to see anything. This camera really isn't designed for zero light, but not many cameras out there are. Provided the Osmo Pocket is capturing footage in an area where there's ambient light present, the results are pretty satisfactory. Another observation I made is that the focus feature works really well at night, and I am surprised actually because I did have some intermittent focus issues, as you saw in the earlier reviews. What I really do like about the way that this handles night shots is the clarity between black and light. You'll notice the shots where there's the sky and the very brightly illuminated wheel, there's no glare or blur, everything is crisp and sharp. So overall, I think the Osmo Pocket handled this scenario pretty well. In some of the shots, the ISO has clearly been pushed up pretty high, and so they are a little bit grainy, but ultimately most cameras shooting in conditions like this will suffer from the same. Anyway, hopefully that was useful for you guys. Please do comment below. I've loved the interaction over the last 3 videos. Be sure to also share this video to any groups that you remember of. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already a subscriber, click subscribe because there'll be loads more testing done like this. Thanks very much for watching.